Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone. Today is a very exciting day for me. Today I get to announce that I am one of the artists at the Fluid Art Experience coming at you next May 23rd, 24th, and 25th in this girl's home, Asheville, North Carolina. I am beyond excited to be involved in this event, especially being close to home. I can't wait to tell you all about my mountains. I can't wait to paint with you. I can't wait to show you all the new and wonderful things that I've been exploring with. I'm going to be teaching 6 classes over the 3-day period. I certainly hope you guys come down for more than 3 days. Asheville is amazing. The event, the hotel, right in the center of downtown. Walk out to your front door and you're right in Pack Square where everything happens. You're across from the chocolate factory. You're a mile from the Biltmore Mansion. Mount Mitchell, the highest peak in North Carolina. Oh, so many wonderful things, and I can't wait to tell you all about them. I can't wait to teach you all the new things that I've been fiddling with. We are going to have swiping classes, Swiping 101, landscape swiping classes, traveling ring pours with negative space, which is one of my new favorite things, and I can't wait to tell you everything it is that I've learned about it. I'm also teaching a grunge class. That's a down and dirty mixed media class where you will actually be able to paint one of Cos creations that I will prepare for you, and you'll get to just do so many wonderful things to it. I am more excited about this event than any of the 9 other events that I have worked. So come on down to Asheville, guys. It's going to be amazing. May 23rd, 24th, and 25th. I'm thrilled. See you there, painting peeps. Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Take 2. Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here. Something I have not done in a long while. And that is a swoosh swipe, or as you all renamed it, a mermaid tail swipe. So I figured, yeah, let's get back to it. Let's see if we can still do it. Let's see what happens. It is such a fun technique, and it's kind of easy breezy. You just gotta get the flip of the wrist and the paper towel down. I lay the paper towel down in the color that I want to swipe with. I slowly lay a little bit of it down to catch the color, and I start to move with my paper towel. And as I do, I lift one corner up to bring it to a point. And you can go off the edge, which is the easiest thing, or you can stop midway, still on the canvas, because paint is self-leveling. Our pouring mediums are self-leveling, and where you see a little mound there where you ended, that will level itself off. Paper towels are damp. Bounty paper towels, don't you know, they have just the right amount of weight to them once I dampen the bottom part of it. Working on a 10 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas, bought on sale at Michael's. Our base coat color is the same consistency as our swipe colors. This is Creative Inspirations, and it is their Payne's Gray. I'm really happy with the Creative Inspirations for my base coat colors and to use in my pour paints, but they take a lot of water. They're very, very thick. Thicker than most medium body paints, and they can handle a bit of water. I've tested it. We probably got about 20 to 25% water in there to get it to the consistency that I want. I like my base coat to be very thin. You're going to see me tilt and hold it there until I see absolutely no movement in my paints, geez, what's wrong with me? You know, it's late at night. It's been a long day. I come in here to wind down. And our base coat color, I like it very, very thin. It's just basically a surface for my other paints to glide across. Let's talk about those other paints right here in this yummy cup. One of the prettiest turquoises out there. That is Golden Fluids, and that is their turquoise. Now, I love to do a mermaid swipe with my fluid paints. You don't have to use fluid paints, but they're so easy breezy. You put a squeeze of your paint into the cup. I add my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a squirt of GAC 800. Stir it up and you're done. No water needed, no massive amounts of stirring. I find that the white fluid paint or the pearl fluid paint is a little bit thicker than the other colors, so that might get just a squirt of water or an extra squirt of GAC 800. Right here, yummy goodness, Golden Fluids, and that is their iridescent gold. First golden fluid I ever bought, dear to my heart, Golden Fluids, and that is their iridescent pearl. And my all-time favorite, Golden Fluids, the Q word in the nickel azo gold. So I'm going to put my base coat down. I'm going to tilt until there's absolutely no movement and the base coat is very thinly applied to the canvas. And then you're going to see me take these big cups. They're not really big. That's a 3 ounce, and pour it into a 2 ounce, because I find if there's less amount of paint in the cup and I squeeze that cup, I can get a really good stream of color. Have you ever had a cup that was too full, and as you start to apply your color to the canvas, it kind of plops out? That keeps that from happening. So I think that's it. I'm going to put some Get Into the Zone music on for me. I'm going to do the same, hopefully, for you. Let's get busy, guys.